Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the KOIOS vacuum sealer machine. You can get this product on Amazon for about $60. Check out the link in the description. The vacuum sealer comes with a user manual, a replacement sealed cotton, a pumping pipe, and a few vacuum bags. The vacuum sealer also comes with a built-in cutter, which makes it easy to create custom-sized bags. The machine is very easy to use. One button is to switch between the settings moist and dry, and the other two buttons are for sealing or vacuuming and sealing. First, I use the vacuum and seal function with a moist piece of chicken. It only takes a few seconds and it looks really good. It also works pretty good with some dry nuts. I also tested the machine with regular freezer bags instead of vacuum sealer bags, but it only worked for sealing, not for vacuuming. If you have open chips or popcorn packages, you can use the seal function to keep your snacks fresh much longer. I tested the machine for a couple of days and I think it's a very good product. It's easy to use and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. So if you're looking for a vacuum sealer machine to keep your food fresh much longer, I would recommend the KOIOS vacuum sealer machine. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.